washing machine has locked itself in the utility room.
We can't get the door open. The washing machine wedged itself, was out of balance,
You can see right through there.
and it's stuck.
Now let's see. If I do that,
It'll fall on the ground.
but I don't want to close it all the way because then I'll be trapped. So give me the screwdriver. There we go.
There it goes. Did that give us any?
So now we got another 2 inches. I can go.
It didn't give us any. So now we're trying to drain it and see if it can weigh less. This is how we spend our Tuesday nights. And for those saying just take it off the hinges are on the other side. Okay, well, we've been at this for 20 minutes or so. The only thing we've managed to do is drain the washing machine, and we moved it a little bit towards us, but we still can't open the door any further, and we're about to saw a hole in our door.
Three more inches. Oh, I'm gonna break a towel. You get just that much.
Just that much. You want me to lean against the door?
Oh, I've got an inch and a half more.
Okay, we got the thing moved, but then
There
the
we
door.
go.
Oh, okay. Can we open it?
Look, look, look.
Oh my gosh.
Ta-ta.
Oh, we got in. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we did it.